Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's look at how to avoid being AI detection in your thesis. So this introduction or this stuff right here was being generated by AI, and then in order to confirm to you that this is AI detected, there are so many softwares that you can use um, um, to show that this was actually generated by AI. So there's this software called Zero AI. So just open a browser and type Zero AI and then AI detector, and then just click on it to open an interface like this. Just copy your font and then paste and then detect text. So let's click on detect text. Now, after clicking, you realize that it will run everything over here for you. So it means the entire text is what AI generated, because it has highlighted everything and it is showing us that this is 100% what AI generated. So how do we remove this strengths of AI from our text? Let's come to this software. There's this software called Free AI Detector. So when you open this Free AI Detector, so just type 100% free AI and then open it. Once you open it, come to Humanize and then click on Humanize. Once you click on Humanize, it will load and then open. So we want to humanize the entire text. So Control Paste and then click on Humanize. It is humanizing our text for us. Humanizing the text doesn't remove any form of plagiarism. So we humanize our text first before we go and then work on plagiarism. So now our text has been humanized. So let's copy output. So now we've copied our output. So let's go and run the AI again and see. So we are done with this. So I think we can delete this entire text and then paste the new text that we just humanized and then click on it. Now it is giving us 0% AI. It has removed all the AI strings from our text for us. Now let's go and then paste it in our main work. Now this has highlighted, so automatically we have our new text that is free from AI. But then after running it through the free AI detector, you will see a lot of red lines under it. Forget about it. There's nothing. You can remove it by right clicking any point inside of it and then come to editor and then click on ignore once. Just be clicking on the ignore once stuff, and then all the red underlying stuff will get vanished. So now